Factor completely. 2x squared plus x minus 3. Here we have a trinomial which we want to factor as the product of two binomials. The first terms of each of our binomials will multiply to equal 2x squared. Since the coefficient 2 factors as 1 times 2 or 2 times 1, we know that our first terms will be 2x and x. Now we need to find the second terms of each binomial, so we'll use the FOIL method in reverse. The second terms will multiply to equal -3. So we'll either have -1 times 3 or 1 times -3 in either order. And when we perform FOIL, the middle term must equal plus x. So we'll try 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. And we see that the middle term does equal x when we multiply out because we have 2x squared when we multiply the first terms. Then we have minus 2x plus 3x, which is equal to x when we multiply the outside and inside terms. And then we have 3 times -1, or -3, when we multiply the last terms. Therefore, we have factored correctly.